One happy hippo in a muddy lagoon splashes and plays every afternoon. Two hungry hawks flying up high search for a meal in the bright blue sky. Three hopeful hens searching for food, clucking round the coop in a good mood. Four hairy horses with hair so long trot in a field singing a happy song. Five heavenly harps strumming in the sky, a tune that makes our spirits fly. Six huddled hedgehogs living in a den, resting and sleeping until night's end. Seven hopping hares play hopscotch with glee, jumping and laughing wild and free. Eight helpful herrings swimming in the sea, always together as happy as can be. Nine hard-working hamsters running round and round, their little feet never touch the ground. 10 healthy hazelnuts, a perfect 10, a tasty treat again and again. In the land of H, we've had so much fun, but now it's time to say goodbye, everyone.